Foundation in data analysis. Learn basic statistics, understand descriptive statistics, probability, and basic inferential statistics. Mathematics, grasp fundamental concepts in algebra and calculus. Excel or Google Sheets, master basic to advanced functionalities, including pivot tables, lookup, and data visualization. 2. Programming skills. Python, focus on libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn for data manipulation and visualization. R, learn R for statistical analysis and graphical representation. 3. Database management. SQL, proficiency in SQL is crucial. Learn to write complex queries, work with joins, subqueries, and understand database design. NoSQL databases, basic understanding of NoSQL databases like MongoDB can be beneficial. 4. Data visualization tools. Tableau, learn to create interactive dashboards and reports. Google Data Studio, familiarize yourself with creating reports and visualizations using this tool. Power BI, another powerful tool for data visualization, often used in enterprise environments. 5. Big data technologies. Hadoop and Spark, understand the basics of big data processing and how to work with large datasets. Google BigQuery, learn how to use Google's data warehouse for fast SQL queries using the processing power of Google's infrastructure. 6. Machine learning basics. Scikit-learn, for implementing simple machine learning models. Google Cloud AI, understand the basic machine learning services offered by Google Cloud. 7. Google-specific tools and certifications. Google Analytics, gain proficiency in tracking and analyzing web traffic. Google Cloud Platform GCP, familiarize yourself with GCP services like BigQuery, Dataflow, and Dataproc. Google Data Engineer certification, although more technical, it's beneficial to understand the engineering side of data. Google Professional Data Analyst certification, stay updated if Google releases any data analyst-specific certifications. 8. Soft skills. Communication, ability to translate data insights into actionable business recommendations. Problem solving, critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Project management, familiarity with project management methodologies like Agile can be beneficial. 9. Real-world projects and experience. Portfolio development, work on real-world projects and build a portfolio showcasing your skills. Internships, part-time jobs, gain hands-on experience through internships or part-time jobs. Kaggle competitions, participate in Kaggle competitions to improve your skills and gain recognition. 10. Continuous learning and networking. Stay updated, follow industry blogs, podcasts, and attend webinars to stay updated with the latest trends. Networking, join data analyst communities on platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, and attend industry conferences. By following this roadmap, you can systematically build the skills and knowledge required to become a proficient data analyst, particularly with a focus on Google's ecosystem and tools.